This one trading mentality will help you solve your trading problems. But before we get into that, there's a trading company prop firm that I recommend that I use called The Funding Traders. They are a trustworthy prop firm that I believe is great for many traders who are looking for a trustworthy prop firm, and the link is below in my description. So if you're looking for a account, definitely go and click on that link and purchase your account today, and make sure that you read all the rules before you do so. So let's get right into this video. So this trading mentality will help you solve all your trading problems. This is something that will actually increase and boost your profitability in trading. And I'm going to get right to it right now. That trading mentality is having the mentality of having a proper risk management. I said it. Some of you guys were probably looking for something bigger. It's proper risk management. I'm going to get into a deeper segment of why having a trading mentality of using proper risk management is going to save you so much money and make you so much money. All right. So many traders are having issues making money. And the reason why they have issues making money is because they're risking more than they're willing to lose. They're over trading. They're over leveraging. They wake up, go to the charts, and have this expectation that they're going to make bahooks of money. And do you realize that 90% of the traders that fail are usually the ones who incur the same mistakes over and over and over again, right? But what happens when you come to the market saying, I'm going to risk way less than I ever am than to risk way more than I really don't want to, right? What happens is when you risk less, guys, I'm giving you the blueprint of trading. I'm literally giving you the secret code of making money. When you risk very, very small, right? Regardless of how big or small your account is. Imagine if you took 20 trades. And I think I say the similarity in my last, somewhere in my videos on this YouTube channel. And let's just say you had $1,000, right? Out of those 10 trades, you were risking at least $50 per trade, right? And you, out of those 20 trades, you lost 10 trades. All right. You was trying to, let's say this. You was trying to make $50 per trade, but you were risking $10 per trade, right? Imagine you losing all your 10 trades. Right now, you have lost how much? You have lost $100, right? Many people would think that it's the end of the world, but let's just say you make your next 10 trades. Do the math. 50 times 10. There you go. You won $500. So I believe many people have coded their brain into thinking that you have to have the mentality of having a win rate. You have to always be winning consistently. You always have to have this trading plan that's just going to transform into where your strategy has to be 80% win rate, right? That is such a lie. It's so false. Every strategy works. It's the risk perimeters. It's the risk management. I just said it, guys. You won 10 trades and you lost 10 trades. You won 10 trades and you lost 10 trades. Think about what I just said. But because you risk very small, and you won very big, all you got to do is do the math. 500, which is your wins, subtract 100, which is your losses, you're still $400 in profit. But many people don't think like this because they're trying to get money so fast and so quick. They're like, they just lose it. They go crazy, right? And then all of a sudden they're over leveraging. Oh man, I got to win this money. But they don't realize the proper risk management is what's going to save them. Do you know that your win rate can be trash? and you can still be profitable? Do you know that your strategy can be trash and you can still be profitable? I just gave you the secret sauce. You have 10 trades that you won and 10 trades that you lost. More than likely, your win rate would be how much? 50%. If not even lower, depending on how many times you continue to lose. But I always tell these traders, no matter how many times you're losing, it's not about how many times you have lost. It's about your risk management. If I had $500 in my account and I was risking, let's just say, $10 per trade, and I lost 20 times, right? That's $200, right? But if I won 20 times, do the math, especially if I'm trying to win how much? $50, right? That's still $800 profit. I don't think a lot of people are seeing how important risk management is. I didn't understand it until I read a lot of Mark Douglas, not books, but listen to Mark Douglas videos. And I highly recommend you to go listen to Mark Douglas's videos. How many times do you tell yourself that you're going to win this much money? How many times do you tell yourself that you're going to when you lose, you're not going to really overtrade? How many times you tell yourself so many things that you keep lying to yourself that you think the way of profitability is all these other things, but you always disregard risk management? And I do blame a lot of mentors too, because a lot of mentors would do a lot of these flipping videos. It's like, I flipped $100 to $1 million, or I flipped $100 to 50,000, or flipped 20 grand to 40 grand, 60K, 100,000. I understand the concept of wanting to do that, but let's be realistic here. What's the statistic that everybody can do that? What's the statistic that most people are doing it? Very low, at the bottom of the pit. And the reason why many people aren't doing that is because it's not realistic. It just does not happen like that, guys. Think about it. It's your risk management. These people who are flipping accounts is because not only they're good at Forex, it's because at that point in time, they were able to flip an account. It doesn't mean that they can continuously do that, because they know themselves that's not a smart thing. It's not sustainable. It's not smart. It doesn't help you in the long run as well. And anything, it would more than likely hurt you, because the markets are unpredictable. You guys want to be a full-time day trader, right? You guys want to level up, right? You guys want to do things that's definitely going to help you or get you to a place where you really want to be, right? So why are you going against the grain and causing more suffering on your trading by disregarding risk management? You want to flip an account by over leveraging like crazy, and then once you lose all that money, now you got to go back to work, right? Or now you got to save more money, right? Or that was the bill money that you should have been using towards your bill. Shouldn't have been trading at all. But for some reason, you wanted to be greedy. For some reason, you wanted to over leverage. For some reason, you wanted to overtrade and revenge trade. For some reason, you just don't care about anybody telling you about risk management. You don't care about that mentality. You just want to have the mentality of, oh, I can do this. I'm the best, right? And I'm going to flip this account. I'm going to make this money. I'm going to draw my trading plan. I'm going to go exactly by this, and it's going to work. Okay, then how come you have not succeeded? Because you have not implemented this risk management factor. You're trying to get somewhere so fast that is leading you to the rat race, and that rat race is destroying you. You know how they say slow and steady wins the race? You can't beat that truth. The rat race is a lie. The slow and steady race is the best race. How many times have you seen a car pass right by you in a lane, just flying, right? Then like 5 minutes later, you get down to the next stoplight, and that same car that was flying that past you, you thought he was way ahead of you. You catch right up to him, and he's sitting there at the stoplight. What good was him or her speeding, thinking that they were going to get somewhere way more faster than everybody else, to end up at the stoplight for all those cars that they passed, catch up to you right at the stoplight. Now, of course, if there's no stoplight, of course, you're not going to be able to catch up, but just think about that. What I'm saying is slow and steady wins the race, and it's more safe. You're speeding, you're more than likely going to get pulled over by the police. You're more than likely to wreck your vehicle and not even have any control. How many of us traders have this mentality of, I have to hurry up and make money? I have to hurry. It's not working. It's not working. I'm pretty sure you clicked on this video because you know it's not working. You know you're struggling and you need help. And I totally understand how you feel because I was there myself. I blew an account, blew funding accounts. There's so many times where I have looked at myself and I asked myself, why did I do that exact thing? It's because I did not have the mentality of wanting to imply the risk factors in my trading. So risk management will help you grow your trading skills. It will boost your confidence in trading. It will make you feel so confident that the next loss that you trade, the next loss that you take will not matter to you. Why? Because you know that your next win is going to be big and it's going to override your losses. You know, when I trade gold, I'm going to give you the secret sauce to my trading. You know, when I trade gold, why I don't care when I lose to gold? It's because I don't put a darn full lot on gold. I have a 100K account on my funding account, on my challenge account, and I don't sit here and put $100 per pip on my as my lot size. Why? Because I know that gold is freaking crazy, right? And even if I did, I make sure I lose little. But what I do is I minimize my lot size, right? I minimize my lot size because I know that gold pays well. I know gold is going to go more than 50 to 100 pips sometimes. So what I tend to do is I risk small and win big. So even if I win big, my losses don't matter. Even if I lose small, my losses don't matter. My wins are going to override my loss. That's what I meant to say. I'm sorry. This is what not only will help me, it will help you, and I guarantee you it will. Stop over leveraging, man. Stop over risking, man. Stop trying to be greedy. Stop trying to trying to get in the rat race. You can do this. You just got to do it right. You got to do it properly. But we don't want to do it properly. Some of us been in some programs, some Forex trader mentor programs, private groups that messed us up. And we are trying to also accumulate all those losses that we lost by jumping into the rat race. I got to catch up. No, you don't. You are where you are for a reason, for a purpose. Take this video and listen to it over and over again until it is memorized in your brain. The next trade that you take, think about what I said. The next trade you win, think about what I said. The next trade you lose, think about what I say. Because every trade that you take matters. If you think that you trading, you giving away your money to these brokers or these prop firms, does it matter? It does matter. Why? Because I know when you lose an account and I know when you lose a prop firm, it frustrates you. It makes you want to give up. But how many times when you go back and you look at what you've lost, you realize it's your fault. You realize that you was doing something that you shouldn't have done. Now, for those who have traded prop firm accounts and all you did was just lose, just kept losing, then you just lost your account, there's nothing wrong with that if you was doing everything right. Because prop firms, number one, have limitations to how much you can lose, basically, and how much capital. So, of course, that's in there. That's just a part of the game. But your live account, whole different ball game. You got all the room and space in the world to make errors. Those are lessons learned. But get your risk management right. When you use proper risk management, your money, your trading account will start growing. I guarantee you it will. So stop with the name blaming, stop with the mentor blaming, stop with the this person placed a trade setup blaming. Stop blaming other people. You take accountability for yourself. You're the one that placed that trade. You're the one that pressed the buy and sell button. But even if you did, you should have been using proper risk management. I have the mentality, and you should have the mentality of going into this bad boy saying, I'm not going to risk more than I am willing to lose. And I'm going to gain more than when I lose because of proper risk management. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Many of you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, but you are watching this video, and many of you have watched my past videos. You just have not subscribed to the YouTube channel. And I appreciate everyone who is supporting my YouTube channel, because I definitely want to help traders get to where they want to be on their trading journey. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts. Let's keep going. Let's work hard. Let's use proper risk management, and let's become profitable traders. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.